Tectonic uplift is a mechanism by which the mean elevation of a region of the Earth's surface increases in response to tectonic processes of crustal thickening, such as mountain building events, changes in the density distribution of the crust and underlying mantle, and fluxural support due to the bending of a rigid lithosphere. Crustal thickening has an upward component of motion and often occurs when a continental crust is thrust onto another continental crust, and consequently thrust sheets from each crust collide and begin to stack on top of the other. Although the rest surfaces of mountain ranges mainly result from crustal thickening, there are other forces at play that are responsible for the tectonic activity. All tectonic processes are driven by gravitational forces when density differences are present. A good example of this would be the large-scale circulation of the Earth's mantle. Lateral density variations near the surface, such as the creation, cooling, and subduction of oceanic plates, also drive plate motions. The dynamics of mountain ranges are governed by differences in the gravitational energy of entire columns of the lithosphere. If a change in the surface height represents an isostatically compensated change in the crustal thickness, the rate of change of the potential energy per unit surface area is proportional to the rate of increase of the average surface height. The highest rates of working against gravity are required when the thickness of the crust, not the lithosphere, changes. Lithospheric flexure is the process by which the lithosphere bends under the action of forces such as the weight of a growing orogeny or changes in ice thickness related to glaciation. The lithosphere rests on the asthenosphere, a viscous layer that in geological time scales behaves like a liquid. Thus, when loaded, the lithosphere progressively reaches an isostatic equilibrium. For example, the lithosphere on the oceanward side of an oceanic trench at a subduction zone will curve upwards due to the elastic properties of the Earth's crust.